Toys and Travel fans. I'm here with Kimora doing this. And we're going to do one about Aruba review. How to do free or cheap activities for the family. First up, we went to the lighthouse. Kimora, how'd you like the lighthouse? What did you rate it?
It was so much fun. And guess what? When it's too foggy, the lighthouse puts lights through and make the boats can see so they can't get lost. Forget that it's a truck that you have drinks at.
The next day we went to Philip's Animal Garden. When you walk on top of the rock formations, the big ones, you can see the whole island of Aruba. And not to mention, there's little rock formation climbing too. There's only one. Or there might be more, we only explored one.
And you can climb the rocks and jump to rock to rock.
Another thing you can check out is the St. Nicholas street art. If you go in February or January, you can see the carnival parades they have. After you leave from taking pictures, you can check out Baby Beach.
A baby beach is very shallow and it only goes up to my waist. We went in a jeep and went to the national park and we had fun.
And we went to the gold mines, we went to the bat caves, and we went to the national pool. And also we had a nice beach day where we made sand castles. Oh, and Kimora dug me underground like a mermaid. You need to check out that short too.
You can feed the fishes from your leftover dinner. You can feed them bread.
Oh, and you can feed the birds.
And we went to the butterfly garden that had a lot of butterflies.
There's beautiful ones and a lot of ones. And I was a little bit of a scaredy cat. There's even a little walk around Eagle Beach. And there's workout stuff along the way to wake you up more and more and more. And for me and Kimora, there's playgrounds there and it felt like it was under the rainbow.
And it kept on raining.
And at night you can go to the Palm Beach area where they do a lot of performing.
And we had ice cream.
Yummy ice cream. There's so many great places to take pictures. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time. Wait. Oh, and I'm going back in June, so leave a comment if you want me to check something out for you, or if there's something new you want me to check out. Leave a comment down below. Check out my other Aruba videos. Bye-bye.